Bacon and cabbage, two things I love together. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make this side dish, or you can enjoy it as a full meal right inside of your Blackstone E-Series oven. If you don't have one, don't worry, you can take this recipe and use it on your griddle as well. Either way, I just knew you guys are going to love it. So let me show you how. So good. Bacon fried cabbage, one of my favorites to make on the Blackstone griddle. And if you're looking for a good recipe, you can find mine on blackstoneproducts.com under the recipe section. This one is always a family favorite. Today we're doing it even easier in the Blackstone E-Series Airfryer Oven. If you haven't seen the Airfryer Oven, this one is a must for me. My kids love using it. We literally use it every day, whether it's on air fryer mode, bake mode, fresh pizzas, or all of my kids' frozen favorites. It's easy to use and just perfect for making this bacon fried cabbage in literally minutes. I've got a head of cabbage. I'm only going to use half of this. We'll roll over the other half into a different meal throughout the week. I'll slice it, removing the core, and then just give it a rough chop into bite-sized pieces. Get this into a large mixing bowl and set it aside for a second. I've got to make a quick marinade, a little extra light tasting olive oil, a little splash of red wine vinegar, a little splash of water. I'm taking a shortcut and using garlic paste. You can also use fresh chopped garlic. Just stay away from that garlic. Now, one of my favorites is the Blackstone Tuscan Herb Seasoning. So much flavor packed into this little bottle. Now that's done, back on to our cabbage. I've already diced up half of a sweet Vidalia onion that will add to our cabbage, as well as a few strips of bacon. You can use as much or as little bacon as you want, especially if you're making this into just a full meal. Go heavy on the bacon. A little sprinkle of black pepper and some pink Himalayan sea salt. We'll drizzle over our marinade, get this tossed together evenly. We've got this gigantic round baking pan that this E-Series oven comes with. There's an air fryer insert basket. I'm not going to use that today. I'm going to line the baking pan with some foil, saving me on cleanup time. Get our cabbage spread out evenly. We'll get our oven preheating on air fryer setting to 350 degrees. Now in this goes to cook. I'm going to set it at 15 minutes, checking it every 5 minutes, giving it a little mix so that it cooks evenly. And my cabbage, while air frying, gets those nice little edges of crispiness on them. Now, as much as you guys know I love and I'm obsessed with my Blackstone griddle cooking, I am having so much fun with this E-Series oven. I just love how big this baking pan is. If I wanted to use the whole head of cabbage, it would absolutely hold all of that. That's what we call family style sized. I love making big portions. This cabbage, as we all know, is even better leftover. Once this is done, we'll pull it out, plate it up. Finish this one with a little bit of Parmesan cheese and it's ready to eat. I know you guys are gonna love this one just as much as I do, so be sure to make it. I cannot wait for you guys to taste this at home in your new Blackstone E-Series Air Fryer Oven.